This is the GROHE SmartControl thermostat for shower and bath with 2 valves in stylish moon white. With its slim, minimalist design and precise operation, it perfectly complements all modern bathrooms. The innovative SmartControl technology allows you to select your desired spray source and adjust the water volume with the push and turn of a button. The 2 valves mean you can switch effortlessly between or combine head and hand shower, or between shower and bath. The GROHE TurboStat technology maintains the desired water temperature reliably throughout your shower. The GROHE Safe Stop button is set at 38 degrees Celsius, preventing you from turning up the water temperature too high. If desired, higher temperatures can be selected by pushing the button. Optional for additional safety, the GROHE Safe Stop Plus limiter ensures that the temperature cannot be turned above 43 degrees Celsius. This product also comes with GROHE Starlight Finish and GROHE EcoJoy water-saving function. This thermostat must be installed in combination with the GROHE Rapido SmartBox. Made in Germany by GROHE, outstanding quality you can rely on, and backed up by our 5-year guarantee. GROHE SmartControl thermostats are available in a variety of styles and features. GROHE SmartControl thermostats deliver an effortless, luxurious shower experience.